Here we have a 2017 Ford Ranger WILDTRAK 4x4 DCB TDCI. Now this is a DV8 Works edition, so we've got the DV8 20-inch alloy wheels finished in black, and how fantastic do they look, all in excellent condition. We've got a pan-fit black metallic exterior paintwork, and as you can see it's all stealthed out. We've got a black pack on here as well. Front mounted nudge bar, add into that aggressive styling. You may have also noticed we've got the LED light bar hidden behind the grille as well, which looks fantastic. Coming around to this corner, you'll see your second 20-inch alloy wheel, again excellent condition, and how fantastic do they look. You may have also noticed, but we've also got a 2-inch lift kit on this vehicle as well, so it's got that additional height and ground clearance. DV8 Works decals, we've got the side steps just below, some more DV8 Works stickers just there. We've then got the colour coded wing mirrors and door handles, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers, black roof rails on top of the vehicle as well. Coming to the rear, there's a look at your third 20-inch alloy wheel. Taking a step back, we've also got reversing camera and rear parking sensors on this vehicle too. Smoked LED rear lights, and they look absolutely fantastic. We've also got the sports rollers cover for the rear like so, keeping your items secure from the elements. DV8 Works badging again there at the rear, and as you can see the vehicle itself is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. And there's a closer look at your last alloy wheel. Going on to the interior next, we've got the half leather interior with the orange fabric and stitching, and how fantastic do these seats look. ISO fixed points within the seats. You've got the fold down armrest in the centre, 12-volt connectivity in the middle with the storage pockets behind the front seats, brushed metal handle, electric window controls and leather with the orange stitching yet again, additional storage down below and the integrated speakers. Going on to the front now, we've got that same half leather interior again with the orange fabric and stitching. We've also got the WILDTRAK stitching on either side. On the doors, unlock and lock button, brushed metal handle, electric window controls with auto features for the driver, child lock for the rear, more speakers and more additional storage. The driver also benefits from the electrical adjustments on the seats, like so as well. Stepping inside, you've got your auto lights on the right, power folding electric wing mirror controls just above. Stepping inside, we'll start the vehicle up, foot on the brake, turn the key, and we are away. Now as you can see, we've got the multifunctional steering wheel with different controls for whilst we're on the go, like speed limiter, cruise control, volume controls, phone controls, etc. And as you can see, we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard. Coming into the centre, you've got your infotainment screen with features like satellite navigation. If we go on to the audio here, we've got various different sources consisting of AM, FM and DAB radio, CD and Bluetooth audio. You've also got your dual zone and climate controls with heated seat controls for both front passengers. You can also find the physical buttons down below. Phone connectivity for making calls or listening to your music, satellite navigation, mobile connection and different mobile apps. And then there's a quick browse through the settings, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, ambient lighting as an example of some features. Plenty of great tech in here. Put the vehicle into reverse, you've got your reversing camera and a visual display of your parking sensors. Coming down, stereo and dual zone climate controls, two 12-volt connection points. We've got two USB ports just below there as well. Now there's a quick zoom in for you there. We've also got the traction control and hill descent control, 2 high, 4 high and 4 low driving modes for off-road usage, park, reverse, neutral and drive. Flick it across, you're into sport / manual mode, and you can change the gears like so should you wish. Two good sized cup holders in the centre with the handbrake just beside it, soft touch leather armrest in the centre with the orange stitching, and we've got the two separate cubbies there as well. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide delivery, competitive low finance, fresh service, fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. That is all from me on today's video. Thank you for watching.
Video test drive of this Ford Ranger WILDTRAK DV8 Works conversion. Now the purpose of this video test drive today is to show that the vehicle drives exactly how you'd expect it to. As you can see, I'm not having to fight with steering wheel to keep it a straight line, to get straight and true, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side. Now I do have a multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and speed limiter on the right hand side. Now to activate, simply push the button of the dial, then use the plus, set and minus buttons to go through to find your selected speed. Now the roundabout is taken left as you would if you were test driving this vehicle today. Now on this instrument cluster in front of me, you do have the 2 screens on either side of the speedometer. Now on the left hand side you can have either entertainment, navigation or your phone, and on the right hand side you can have all your different bits of driving information. Screen just in the centre where you can have your satellite navigation as well as Bluetooth media, Bluetooth audio connectivity. You also have a rear reversing camera with your sensors there as well. Now you do get Apple CarPlay and Android Auto built into this vehicle. You also get DAB radio, Bluetooth media, Bluetooth audio connectivity, and also get different colours for ambient lighting. Now, being a Ford Ranger and a bit of an off-road vehicle, you do get your different off-road terrain modes. So you do have 2-wheel drive high, 4-wheel drive high, and also 4-wheel drive low. So this vehicle is very, very capable off-road, and has also got a 2-inch lift kit fitted to it. So it is a very, very capable off-roader, and it also does have the all-terrain off-road tyres. So wherever you may be going in this vehicle, it's got you covered. Now, if you're test driving this vehicle today, you'll be listening out for anyone to knocks or bangs. And if you've been listening out during this test drive video, there hasn't been any, which is always a bonus when buying a used car. Now, it is a very smooth driving car on the road as well. Going over any bumps in the road, any potholes, speed bumps, it absorbs it very, very well. So right now, I've got this industrial state, but I'm going to take a right, I'm going to perform a emergency stop, pop it straight into reverse, just to show you that the brakes work exactly how you expect them to, and you'll see the camera pop up in the centre screen. Pulling in now, and an emergency stop in 3, 2, 1. Hard onto the brakes, straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever, and you can see the rear sensors in the top right and the rear camera. Back into drive, again, no issues whatsoever. Now, if you haven't answered all of your questions and inquiries during this test drive and walk around video, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team, where they can answer questions and also run through some inquiries with you. But that's it for me in this walk around video and video test drive. Hope to hear from you soon. Cheers.